Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be myth busting something I saw on the internet saying that the FGX XR6 turbos have launch control. I'm not 100% sure on it. I have read some things on the interwebs saying that they do, so may as well make a video of me trying. So I'm not sure if this works for the automatic ones, but I have read for the manual ones, you just hold your foot to the floor with the clutch, and then I believe it's either hold your foot to the floor with your accelerator or hold it up to about 3.5 grand or 3 grand, and then it'll start to misfire or some shit like that. According to the forums, it doesn't load boost, obviously, because you need load on the engine to create boost, but it sounds cool. So we're going to see if we can actually do it, because I read on the internet, you know what they say, not everything on the internet is true. So I'm here in my usual spot with we've just finished filming something else, and we're going to give it a geeze. Oh. So the car's already been warmed up, obviously, and we'll just get it started. Now the interwebs have told me, they've said clutch all the way to the floor, which we've got. Now I'm going to hold my foot to the floor and see what happens. I'll be damned, it actually freaking worked. Holy shit. Oh, that sounds wicked. Alright, I'll chuck that at the exhaust so you can hear what that sounds like. What? What? Holy shit. That's wicked. Alright, how well this will actually work as a launch control, I'll go test that now. Of course, I'm in a car park, I can't exactly do that, but there are a set of traffic lights around here where you can do some practice launching, but I might need a co-pilot for that particular part of the video. So yes, that's freaking cool. Alright, well I'm gonna go do some launch controlling. People might think I'm in a GTR, mate. Alright, I've just gonna get our good friend Steve to do some filming, because I can't hold a GoPro while launching the Falcon safely. So we're gonna get him to come and do some filming while I do some driving. Wow, I'm genuinely surprised that it actually does that. On the forum it said only the Sprints came with this function, so I'm not sure if it'll work with the automatic models, because obviously you need the clutch pushed in, unless there's a secret button somewhere I don't know about, or maybe you just load up on the brake. But yeah, I'm genuinely surprised that it does that. So I did get told by Bailey, who's one of the boys from the channel here, that it does have it, and I said no, they didn't come out with this, and he swore black and blue in the face that it did, and he's been proven right. So yes, now we're going to go find a private racetrack, of course, because you can't just go launching yourself on the street, because that's a bit in trouble, bit naughty. So we'll find a nice quiet bit of racetrack, and I will do some test launches to see how it actually will work in a functional situation. Because when it's actually on the launch control, you can hear it building boost slightly, but I don't think it's making any actual positive boost pressure. Judging from the gauge we got here, I didn't really watch that because I was too busy being blown away. Oh, wrong gear. So we'll obviously see if it's making boost and what that sort of stuff is there. All it's doing is misfiring, obviously, to keep it at that rev limit. It's not by any means a proper launch control as you'd get in like a GTR or something like that, like one of the newer cars that had inbuilt launch control. All that stuff is made to actually build boost and to get the car ready to rip. I don't think that's what this does. It looks like it just cuts the timing out or makes it misfire, one or the other. So we'll just try and find a nice quiet bit of racetrack, and then we will give it a rip and see what happens. So as for an actual launch control system, it seems to work alright. I mean, it just yeeted us forward, and it did have a bit, so we don't really want to cause too much attention in this area. Alright, we're going to try it one more time. Yeah, no, still does spin the tyres, unfortunately. But it does work. It makes about, at the moment, we got up to about 5 pounds of boost. But yeah, that's a little bit saucy for me to be trying to launch it on. Yeah, we don't want to get in too much trouble skidding tyres in this area, on this racetrack. But yeah, at least it freaking works. It hops and parts and sounds pretty wicked. It does make boost. I don't know if it's going to be usable boost, but I mean, at least it's sort of working. I thought that was a cob. Oh shit! Oh, that's wicked, bud. Yeah. Sick. We're going to see if you can do the launch control while you're on the roll. Fuck, no, no you can't. That went straight to fucking 10,000 then. Yeah, that wasn't good. Yeah, okay, so you obviously can only do it when the car's stationary, or maybe like a slight roll. You also have to have it in first gear. I'm not sure if there must be a switch or something, or it's just you have to be going slow enough. But just when I did it then, we were going 60, it didn't engage it, obviously, because you need to be launching. So it looks like it's only going to do it when you're either just slow rolling or in first gear. It might do it in second gear. I'm not going to test that because I'm not clutch dumping second gear at 3,500 RPM, because that's just going to bake tyres for days. So we're not doing that. But I'm stoked now. This car just became so much more cooler. Like, oh, launch control around the corner. Yes! Will it do it in second gear? We're not going to launch the car in second gear. We're just going to see if it does it. It does it in second gear, people, so it must just be, maybe it's just speed limited, I'm guessing. So yeah, does it do it in neutral? Does do it in neutral, people. Smell it though. Oh. So I'll show you just real quick the boost it makes. Oh, we got a green light. Shit. So I don't know if you can see from what boost it made there, but I'm pretty sure it only makes about 4 or 5 pounds of boost. I'm not 100%. Where is Macca's friend? Just up here.
Brother.
So yeah, I mean, I'd call it a bogan launch control, really. So yes, what an interesting little bit of gear that is. Well, that's all for this video of craziness. This car just became so much more cool. Even though I already loved it, now I freaking love it. So thank you guys for watching. Keep on boosting, and we'll catch you in the next video.